All I can say is, wow, what an opportunity. In our lives, there's very few times when we actually are in a place at the right time. And in my life, I've been very fortunate. I happened to be in the semiconductor industry in the very early 80s. And I saw this tremendous growth, and this growth really changed the San Francisco Bay Area. One of the things that happened during that growth was a working between the colleges, the high schools, the universities to provide it to the semiconductor industry. And at that time I went to San Jose State, and that's when I was first introduced to the semiconductor industry. And it was interesting, after I left college I said I'll never go to work there, and I wound up going to work at the semiconductor industry, and it was a tremendous learning experience for myself. My father convinced me that I really needed to come to work back for the family business. So that I did. I moved to MidAmerica. I was here for about 4 years in engineering, and then from there we went ahead and I got involved in sales. And that was really the growth of the company, where really got a chance to flourish and things happen. And what I'm seeing today, which has been absolutely wonderful for me, is Dave, through his leadership and through his vision, which is so important, to go to the business and ask, what do you guys need? How can we help you? What do we need to do to get where you need to go? To have a partnership, not to have somebody say, this is what we're going to do, and we want you guys to come along, but to really take us along on this journey. And I do understand on this journey, sometimes change is difficult for people. But the real reality of it is the tremendous change and opportunities that we have in this area are vast. And I am so excited to be part of that journey, to see what's going on. I can only imagine over the next 10 years what we're going to see, how everything is going to go and transcend. We have an opportunity here. When you think about it, we have power, very inexpensive power, thank you. We have water. We have a great community. And to have a community get behind you, when people ask me what's great about MidAmerica, I said, God. God is great about America. People here believe about God. Community. People here believe about community. People here believe about fellowship. We work together. We strive to have a better community. We have that opportunity to create something that is absolutely incredible. You know, a city is not built by one person. A city is built by a community, everybody moving in the proper direction. That is really what I see with Dave's leadership and his vision. And for me, I can't say it enough, to have somebody that has vision, to take a look at this area and visualize through this what it could be tomorrow. It is absolutely tremendous to be here along for the ride. I thank you for the privilege of being able to speak. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. And thank you very much for allowing me to be along the journey.
There we go.